Hi TerryToons.
Hi, Justin. Hamill.
TerryToons, what's wrong? Are you okay? You don't feel so good.
I know.
I think I have the
Hiccups.
Oh no, that's terrible. Here, let me fix your hiccups. Just hold your breath for a short time and breathe slowly.
Do you think I could do that?
Why, of course.
Okay, here it goes.
Good job. There, now your hiccups are gone.
Yes, I did it. I got rid of my hiccups. And thanks to you, my hiccups have disappeared. Thank you so much, Justin Hamill.
You're welcome, TerryToons.
Wait until I tell Shredder and Franklin about this.
Justin Hamill, thank you for fixing TerryToons' hiccups.
For this, we're going to call your parents about this.
Justin Hamill, words can't describe how happy your mother and I are for fixing TerryToons' hiccups.
For this, you are ungrounded for life. Let's go to Chick-fil-A as your reward.